You ready to make some super easy pens? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you this. Hey friends, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so I have an Ink Joy gel pen. I'm going to take it apart. See, we took all of the innards out, save them. We're going to use them later. Then we're going to twist off that little clip, easy peasy. Then we're going to take some sandpaper and we're going to sand all the nubbies. So that part where we took the clip off, then there's another little nubby underneath, then there's one on the back. Just sand them down so that everything is nice and smooth. Then we're going to put this, I just used a dowel that I put some masking tape on so that the pen would fit. And then I wiped it down with some rubbing alcohol. And then look, we printed these cute little patterns I printed on printable vinyl. You can use Cricut, you can get it from Amazon. Silhouette has some too. Variety of ones you could get. Okay, so then here's my, and I obviously you cut out the pattern, and then I'm going to put whatever pattern it is. I'm using one that has chickens. It's adorable, and we're going to put it on our pen. Now, if you're not mindful when you do the sanding part, if you have any nubbies that are left, it's going to make it all lumpy and bumpy. So just be aware that that part is really, really important. Now we're just going to roll on our vinyl. Make sure that everything goes on without any wrinkles and all of that. If you have any parts that are hanging over, you just, I use an X-Acto knife and I just cut it out. I put a little heat to it just because it helps the vinyl kind of adhere better and smooth it out. Now we're using some Crystalac Grand Finale and we're going to put this on. Now we're going to do, so you put a thin layer. This is like epoxy, but it's a non-toxic alternative. And it's basically you put very thin layers on. You wait 2 hours in between each layer and you keep going until you get the shine that you want. Make sure to get the top and the bottom, all parts and pieces, right? And again, wait 2 hours in between and then do another layer. I'm going to say 4 layers. And see, I put mine in some floral foam and just let it hang. That's all I do. You don't have to have a cup turner or anything like that. Just keep putting more layers on until you get the shine you want. It looks like glass. It is crazy pants. Oh, and before I forget, the little pieces that I printed, they were 4.75 by 1.5. Okay, so they're 1.5 inches wide by 4.75 inches long. Perfect. And there we go. So we let it dry for 2 hours. It's shiny. I love it. We're going to put our pen back together. These pens can be refilled with other, you can get it on Amazon even, the refills, the ink refills. Look at how beautiful. The shine is crazy. It writes beautifully. What a good gift. Even for yourself. I make them for myself all the time. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.